prior to building a model, construct an evaluation framework with end-to-end business-focused acceptance criteria. This is what I was talking about. Do I have this here? Here it is. So the idea is, and this is basically what they're saying, you look at the business. Look at the business end-to-end. How does that work? How do you start with the what can you deliver? What does the customer want? How to get into execution? What's the business? The business first, the business first. Don't start with execution and then think about how can we make a business out of that? That's one of the big mistakes. Okay, here's some data, and now here's a data scientist, and let's find out how to make business from this data. That's not how it works. The other way around. You have a business idea, you have a strategy, how to evolve your business, and then you go into execution, because then you know what to look, what data do you need. The data scientist can help you in the finding phase. What roughly data can we use? Yeah, that business is the first thing. Sometimes solutions can also start from group of solutions. Solutions can start from groups. So basically, a new business is created out of a existing business, or a solution for a business case creates another product. That absolutely makes sense, but then you start again from the product side, the business side. You have a solution for something, and then you say, I could make some more money with this other product, and this is a derivative from this, or a small change from this, and then you do the execution to actually do it. So it's yes, but then it's also coming back from business side. So yeah, okay. Let's not go into further. So datasciencemanifesto.org. Okay, and I hope Shil is still here. Shil, are you still here? I may just write a quick hello in the chat so I know you're still here. He wrote me a huge letter, and I said, Shil, I need to use the stream to actually answer this. So otherwise, I'm writing myself to death here. So